Sundance Film Festival is an annual event. It's been going on now for about 26 years. It takes place in Park City, Utah. It is the brainchild and vision of Robert Redford. The Sundance Film Festival is comprised of about 17 venues. Most of the venues are temporary, some of which are permanent, but we have to upgrade in order to be able to present the content and the films that we have to for the festival. The problem that we ran into a few years back is, as we improved in our sophistication, we made the projectionist job very, very difficult. So my concept became one that what we needed to do was we needed to create a presentation system in which the projectionist could plant his feet on the ground and could start a show with every function that needed to be done without moving his feet. And the only way we could do that was to put in a centralized control system by which the projectionist could select the select the formats that he had to go into. They had to be able to switch smoothly and seamlessly in a professional manner and then go into whatever his feature project was. That's where AMX saved our life. AMX has helped us go from a show start circumstance in which things didn't always happen quite right to where they could happen smoothly and reliably and predictably.
In each of the different venues, we have some older equipment and some of the newer equipment. We have NI 700s, we have Accent 3s, which are now downgraded to just being port servers. We have 3100s, 4100s. We have different touch panels all over, from the older keypads to the electroluminescent touch panels to the new CV10s. The typical control system will include control of a CD player, a DVD player, Sony HD cams, some sort of Dolby sound system, the video projectors. So part of the critical piece of the AMX is to know all of your equipment, and each year the equipment changes and you have to reinvent all of this programming, the timing, how long projectors take to switch, how long the Sony decks take to engage. And so when we're going from one format to the next, like DVD to HD, we have to shutter, we wait for a second, we allow the projector to switch, which can take a second and a half, we engage the deck, which takes a second, and then we open the shutter so that the sound, the picture, everything comes on the screen at one time. And so right now we're going from DVD, we're going to go to HD, and that will take 4 seconds. Boom. Sound is on, the video is on, the show starts. Boom. And then at the end of the show, the credits are rolling, and the projectionist gets really used to the timing. So as that last credit is going up, boom, he'll hit the DVD, and in this case, he'll turn on the sound, the CD sound system, and it will switch back to DVD, and everybody leaves the show. Lights go up.
In our ability to take the AMX tool and use it to control our complicated systems has made our technical life at Sundance immensely better. It's allowed us to make smooth transitions that were difficult for us to make in the past. And to be able to go and switch between formats cleanly and smoothly, so that there weren't long interruptions or periods of time in which some things happened and some things didn't. It's given our projectionists the ability to use their interest, their ability to put on a show in a confident manner, and in a way that allows them to be a projectionist and not just a machine operator. My biggest anxiety at the end of the festival was getting back the incident reports from our filmmakers and getting back reports that saying, my film started and there was no sound, my film started and there was sound and there was no picture. The house light stayed up and didn't come down. AMX has solved all that problem. It's just gone.
The critical piece of AMX, what it has really done for Sundance, is allow it to stay current. The latest technologies come in every year, from the best video projectors to the best Dolby sound systems, and the projectionists don't have to relearn all of the equipment when they get on site. That's not a physical possibility. We take care of that with the AMX. We automate it for them. It looks the same for them every year. So it's just a really simple, clean show.
AMX is a tool that allows us to present a filmmaker's film, to make our presentations look the best and highest quality they possibly can be. It helps us make our vendors look good. It makes our suppliers look good. It helps make our contributors look good. And all the way down the line, as a working tool, it does nothing but improve everything that we do in making our presentations the best they can possibly be. My basic feeling as a technical director and as someone who loves to present movies is it's all about the show. It's not just the movie, it's just not the content, it's not the temperature, it's not just the seats, it's not just the environment that people are in, but it's all about the show. And the show has got to be what happens when someone sits down in a chair with expectation and then sits in that chair for a period of time and then gets up out of that chair and walks out the door. And everything that happens in the middle is the show. And AMX has made it possible for us to improve the show that we give our clients, our customers, our public.